Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here with a new video. So guys, today video about how you can repair an Epson printer having a power issue. Yes guys, this printer having a power issue. Model number is a Epson L385. A Wi-Fi printer and non-display LCD printer means there is no display in front. To cause a power supply or a main board or front panel. This front panel. So guys, first we remove a front panel in this printer. So let's disassemble it. So guys, this is a printer having a power issue. First turn on printer. Sometimes it's on, sometimes not. This power button is having a problem, need to replace. First you check if your printer is not turning on. You press this button for many times, but still not on. Maybe your printer having a power supply or main board problem. So I check how to check this problem. First remove this panel. So guys, remove this panel. Now there are 3 screws inside. So remove this. So guys, remove this first screw. Second. So guys, I remove 3 screws and now open this panel like this. Disconnect this power clip. Now this is a panel. There is lock to remove this. So guys, these are the buttons for this card. This one is the power. You see there is mentioned already power button, power switch and Wi-Fi switch. So guys, I am told how to check this printer if your printer having this panel problem or card problem. So guys, connect this cable and jump this to soldering. You can use this type of tool. You see, so I connect this. So guys, use this screw and merge this. You see, printer got power, which means the switch have problem. Printer is okay and all parts are okay. Only this button having issue. So now I'll show guys how to replace this button. So let's start to replace. So guys, you need a soldering iron and soldering this and plus means a soldering full kit. And guys, this is a button. See the new button I installed in this card. So let's soldering it.
I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots. You were not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots, who were not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots, who were not as tough as me.
printer's cable here. I'm not testing it's working or not. Turn on the switch. See, it's perfectly working.
If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic.
Again, I turn off this printer and turn it on again. It's perfectly fine, guys. You see, now this printer is going to start it back.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling, I don't pay back, 'cause I'm great.
So guys, I show you how to create this problem, and printer is perfect working right now. You see all lights is blinking perfectly and printer is powered up. This little tiny button, you need to replace it. Knowledge about how to soldering card and etc. So you can do easily how to solder this button, and I'll show you how can. So guys, if you're still having problem, you would replace this button and it's still not power up. You may be having a power issue in power supply on your motherboard, logic card. I will make another video and covering all this problem in Epson printer. So subscribe my channel, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button. So guys, I upload these types of print related videos in my channel and also tech related videos. So please subscribe my channel. So yeah guys, this is Shivan signing off. We'll be back with a new video and with a new problem and with a new solution. So guys, goodbye, take care and peace out.